So here's how you can change your country in Google Play Store. So for that reason, first of all, open up the Google Play Store and then simply tap on the profile icon on the top right side corner here. So tap on that, and then from here you need to tap on these payments and subscriptions. Then again tap on payment methods. Alright, now once again tap on the more payment settings and it will redirect you to your default browser. So it will take some time to load, and then from here you need to tap on add a payment method. And now you can enter a card number of yours, and then you need to tap on the year, month, and once again lastly you need to tap on this billing address. If you tap on that, you can see there is a country. You can now select the country of your likings. So you can select the United States, Nepal, Netherlands, New Zealand, any country you like. So after selecting this, you can select the address from here, any address. So you can, if you don't have any address of that particular country, then you can search it on Google. That valid address will be shown. So that's how you can change the country in Google Play Store. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.